Welcome to this 2020 Cancer Companion Journey of Prayer for 30 days. Cancer Companions is a wonderful ministry and a national network growing of many people who are impacted by cancer, survivors and family members, friends, medical professionals, and caregivers. And Cancer Companions provides Christ-centered hope and encouragement and support through Bible studies and support groups and special events like this 30 Days of Prayer. Today our focus will be on praying for those who are in cancer treatment. And yes, you can hear and see I have a speech impediment. My name is Pastor Scott Schmieding, and I serve at Immanuel Lutheran Church and School in St. Charles, Missouri. And I'm a survivor of stage 3 head and neck tongue cancer. And over 20 years ago, when I was age 32, I had to have my entire tongue removed. It was a painful 11-hour operation. That was rough. But the treatment afterward, the radiation, it was even far worse. I have a picture here of me and holding a daughter and how red the radiation burned me. Sometimes they have to hurt you to help you. And I had blisters in my mouth and in my throat for over 2 months. Many of us know firsthand going through chemo or radiation and other treatment, it's not fun. It's filled with many ups and downs, and fear and frustration, and the unpleasant side effects. There's a ride at Disney named the Tower of Terror, and you go into what appears to be an old hotel, and they take you up a rickety-sounding elevator to the top, and then they drop you and bounce you up and down in that Tower of Terror. It's a crazy ride that you never forget. And going through cancer treatments, a crazy ride of ups and downs. And today we pray for those in treatment. Please pray with me. Dear God, as we go through all of the ups and downs of cancer treatment, you are with us every step of the way, every minute of every day. God, this journey is overwhelming and frightening at times, and we turn our anxieties and uncertainties and burdens over to you. Strengthen us and help us as we face the many ups and downs of treatment and side effects, pain and nausea and fatigue and more. And as we experience the fears and frustrations of treatment, give us firm faith and your hope and peace during our crazy cancer journey. In the name of Jesus, our loving Savior, we pray. Amen. And God bless you, Cancer Companions. Tune in tomorrow for our next day of the 30-day journey of cancer prayer.